What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can swap tokens on Phantom Wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, we will open up our Phantom Wallet, and this is how the Phantom Wallet will look like. Here, what you have to do is you just have to click on this swap. Now, after clicking on this swap, this is what your cryptocurrency that you have, this is what tokens that you have, and with which you want to swap it. Suppose you have Bitcoins, you just have to search for Bitcoins, and it will tell you that you will have Bitcoins. Currently, in my case, I do not have any assets, so it won't show me any of the options. But in your case, you will see all of the coins you have. You just have to select the one according to you, and then you just have to enter the amount. Suppose you have 50 Solana coins and you just want to trade 10, you can actually enter the amount of 10, and then here you want to select the coins or the cryptocurrency with which you want to exchange. Suppose you want to exchange with USDT, you have to select USDT, and there you go. So you will be able to trade it right here. Currently, in my case, I do not have any Solana coins and it won't let me do that. But in your case, you will be able to do it right here on this page. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.